Careful driving, honey. That right there says Colombia. We're in tornado country. Where are we at, babe?
I said the infamous Bins.
You know this place like a map, don't you?
I feel like I should.
Oh yeah, same carts. Alright guys, let go real quick. Boom, 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 boom. I don't see any bags. It's empty. It's got 3 wheels. Oh, here's one. Here's one with a bag. Let's see. California Innovation. That's a little Tykes goes with something. Like a baby cradle? Way, they're going like 50 to 70. Transformer parts. Seen better days. Cohen, look at that. Look at that head. Oh, a workout Care Bear. It's really dirty, but oh, like a gun case?
Carrying case thing.
Oh.
On the arrow.
The case is cool. It looks cheap.
What? Oh, I already have that one.
Oh yeah, big girl. The case. Oh yeah, keyboard. Like a Cookie Monster. And the golf club is a Calorie Big Bertha. Kitchen wedge. It's got a decent grip. Addie, what is that? It's a pumpkin. Snippy. Class of cool. Look at that little punching bag. Can you punch it? Let's see. Ooh, good punch. Hey, Mr. Krabby. A Krabby. Sublime Long Beach. Sublime tag. This For All Mankind bell bottoms. And it's like a Sublime hoodie. Back looks nice. Oh. No. Good try though, bud. ACDC Repop. That's 2. You're looking for a match?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. Just saw this right here. It's got a big stain. but it looks like Digimon. I don't know what year. What is this? Oh. Hey, babe. Babe. This needs a wash. It's Digimon. It's like a curtain. Maybe a curtain. Oh my gosh. This thing is funky. Remember, look at that dog.
Wait. What kind of dog is it? Look. A parrot?
And a dragon. Birkenstocks? Oh, they're split. Man. Let me see this. Aladdin. That's cool. So close, honey. So close. The leather's splitting under one of the toe parts. I was like, oh man.
Got one little spot down here.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't know if you'd like that for you.
Yeah, I'd probably wear that.
That's it. Still got the one.
I mean, there's a Power Ranger shirt. Oh, snap. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Was this another one?
If it was a curtain, it would be like a set or something, wouldn't it?
Oh no, this is the fitted.
Oh, then it's a sheet and fitted sheet.
Cool.
Hey, Dad, look.
What?
See, Dad, look.
Man. Yeah. Some screen print.
Oh.
I can reach it. Thank you. You're doing a good job. Whoa. You think Mom would like that? If we cleaned it for her? What is this shirt? Torrid. Oh man. Are the grips good? No, guys, put that back. Okay. No, not that one.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
What do you think is tailor-made? Oh, you got their tailor-mades too? Or,
No,
or the
Big
Bertha?
Bertha set.
Oh, that's a steal.
I know. I was like, man, $1 a club, I'll take them.
Yeah, right.
And the grips were still good. So.
Well, I gotta re-grip these. These were trash.
Yeah, but I saw the head on them. They're good. They're still in good shape. So.
Oh, that's your stuff. Oh.
Yeah.
was
I'm
like,
just
wait,
dragging it
what's
along. Alrighty. What side do you want me on? So yeah, like a dummy, I turned the camera off instead of on when I was ringing up at the bins down there. We spent a grand total of $40.80, I believe. $8 for the golf clubs. 8 clubs there, so that was really good. There's going to go for 100, but I'll quickly show you what we got with the other $32 to sell on eBay. And we got some great whatnot inventory. So if you like any of these, or if you just love all kinds of stuff, we definitely want you to check us out on Whatnot. We're going to have a link down below because we're going to have a lot of these, plus another like 200 shirts that we have that we've been saving up for some great Whatnot shows. We're going to be doing them probably weekly for the next couple of weeks. So definitely click that link down below. And Whatnot is a great app for you to check out. There's some other great people that sell on here, like Harry Tornado himself. So be sure to check that link. So yes, that's our Whatnot pile there. And then all of this stuff, I'm not going to go crazy detail. You saw us pick a lot of it up. I think some of the only few things you didn't see, these like American Eagle, big nice bell bottoms. But all this other stuff is probably worth a good list on eBay. But all in all, for $40, you know, we did pretty good. But yes, we were heading on going that direction anyway. We did want to check out the great bins that we always see Josh and Haley dig through. But then he threw a post up on Instagram the day before with these 2 skateboards for sale. And I already had a plan. My boys are learning that I used to skateboard, and I wanted to find them some really good quality boards. He threw those up. I said, hey, we're going to be in your town. I'd love to buy them. He said, no problem. Saves me on shipping those. So while we were there, I had a chance. After we were done at the bins, head over to the retail side. We found a few more things, and then we made this great deal that I found out later on helps support the great house flip that they're doing.
In the show, I had somebody in the chat, flipsfindsfun. I think that's our username. His name's Josh V, actually, just like me. And he actually reached out wanting to buy the 2 skateboards that we picked up in this video because I didn't want to put them on Whatnot, and I didn't want to put them on eBay. I just offered them on Instagram a couple days ago, and he said that he and his family are going to be in town, so we met at the Goodwill Bins yesterday. I didn't get any of this on video, but I think he got it in his video, so you can watch that if you don't trust me.
I was like, eh.
No,
Our good's kind of empty here. What? No, I kept the Allbirds.
No, the ones in the back.
No, she put the sandals looked a little rough.
Oh, okay.
They were the sandals, not the flip flops. A pair of Allbirds. I was waiting for you to put them out. I wanted to make sure. Yeah, I wanted to obey the rules.
Yep.
Yes, well, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
That's why you wait. That's why you wait, baby.
Check under the insoles. Are they
Made
good?
in China.
Awesome.
Size 8.
Awesome. Ooh, that first strawberry is
That is cool. And you passed these too. These are just sitting there.
They looked too worn or something. I don't know.
The tops of them always do.
No, the bottoms. They look okay.
Oh.
Like, I don't know. The tread didn't look good.
Well, look them up. Hey, Josh V. It's Josh V.
What's up, man?
How you been, buddy?
Good to meet you.
I know, man.
Fam. Hello, fam.
Fam, my wife Brittany. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to
Little
meet you.
dude, Cohen, River, and little Addie.
You get your hands full.
All the time, man. So it's like managing, grabbing, doing whatever we got to do.
Is that the hat you bought from me that one time?
No, got this for me from another guy up in Virginia where we're at.
From me one time, didn't you?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it was a shirt. Yeah, and I was watching your Whatnot last night. We were stopping at Texas Roadhouse up there, and I was like, my phone's dying. But yeah, how'd the rest of the show go last night?
Really, really good. Had a great time. It was fun. Made a lot of money.
But sorry, we're stealing some stuff from you.
I've actually never found an off these before. Are they
She
real
just
though?
put up, yes, I had to double check.
Nice.
Made in China, a couple Allbirds, and then these need laces. But I'm like, not bad. No, but next door we just got like some good Whatnot inventory.
Yeah.
A lot of like screen print band shirts, stuff like that.
Those are the easy ones.
And then a set of Big Bertha irons.
Nice.
I know. Yeah, I'll get those boards from you.
Yeah, but
You want to keep the cart there? Yeah.
Hey, River, come over here, please.
But yeah, man.
it's good to meet you.
Everything been good though?
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't even make it up that far. She's got to go buy Buc-ee's to get a shirt for her grandmother. So if I had more time, I was going to play around disc golf with you, you know. And I know your time is...
I haven't played disc golf in a long time.
Is a crunch, you know. Ooh. Yeah, I just, you know. Ooh. Yeah, I just... But yeah, man, you were like... Just to say, you were on my Mount Rushmore, dude. I started watching you September 2019. And then, like, I've already had some flipping history and stuff.
Yeah.
But I was like, okay, and I studied you from September to January.
Yeah.
And it was February 1. Then I'm like, let's try it, babe. Let's try it. And it worked. It went really good. There you go, dude.
Grab that.
Yeah, man.
There you go.
No, my...
They're worth on eBay.
I'm not selling them.
50 bucks a piece.
No, those two boys you just saw.
Oh, yeah?
Because I used to skateboard a lot.
Yeah.
I just did a unit. I haven't put the video out yet. And I found two boards in it. And they're like, Dad, do you know how to do any of that?
Yeah.
And
teach them your ways.
And I did a couple ollies and stuff. And they were like, are we going to learn how to skateboard now? Yeah. So I'm going to let these be their practice boards.
Those are great. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Awesome.
Well, I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, dude. And I'll, you know, next time I'm in town or something, because we're working on like an RV to hit up some like visits and stuff. We just appreciate you and Haley and stuff.
Of course.
I appreciate it again.
Of course.
Always, dude.
If you missed anything.
Yeah, I mean, I probably did. Like, I left the drivers because I hate shipping those.
Yeah.
I think somebody picked them up. They're tailor-mades, but if you want the irons, dude.
We got plenty of golf.
Right, I got them. Dun, dun, dun. Sure. Solution. Have a good one. All right, so we are back home from the South Carolina trip, and how much fun was it?
It was a lot of fun.
I'm telling you, like, just going there, and just thank you to Josh and Haley, Harry Tornado. We got to go in their hometown to their bins, their Goodwill, and we found some really good stuff. Like, we loaded up pretty well, but just a special shout out to Josh. Thank you so much for the deal on the skateboards. We were glad to help you with the house project. The boys,
they're very excited.
Yeah, they're excited. They're kind of asking every day, are we going to go ride skateboards? So we were really glad to do that deal. But if you want to see more of that content on our sourcing trip in South Carolina, we hit up yard sales, other thrift stores. We had a lot of fun, but we also have our Via's channel. If you want to see more of the behind the scenes, we had a lot of family fun too.
Yes.
We did. We did a lot of really, really cool stuff. So, and just special thank you. If you came over here because you heard our name in the Harry Tornado video, thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, we'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and just stay tuned in the channel. We have tons of flipping fun content coming your way. We can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks again. Big shout out, Harry Tornado.